Zach Pagoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 17-1 text. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 17-1 text. So we're starting our new chapter today, and in this chapter, we will be learning about how to account for uncollectible accounts receivable. In addition to that, we will also be learning about how to define accounting terms related to uncollectible accounts, identify accounting concepts and practices related to uncollectible accounts, calculate, journalize, and post estimated uncollectible accounts expense, and finally, journalize and post entries related to writing off and collecting uncollectible accounts receivable. All right, so now that I've read over the learning objectives, let's jump right into the 17-1 text. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 17-1 text, which is the first lesson in Chapter 17. And in this lesson, we will be learning about uncollectible accounts. Okay, so to start, we're going to be talking about calculating estimated uncollectible accounts expense. So when we calculate estimated uncollectible accounts expense, what we do is we take the total sales on account and we multiply them times the percentage, and that will give us the estimated uncollectible accounts expense. All right, next we're going to be talking about analyzing and journalizing an adjustment for uncollectible accounts expense. So when we analyze and journalize an adjustment for uncollectible accounts expense, there are a few steps that we follow when doing this process. First, we enter and label the credit amount. Next, we enter and label the debit amount. And finally, we record the adjusting entry. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to be talking about in this lesson is posting an adjusting entry for uncollectible accounts expense. So when we post an adjusting entry for uncollectible accounts expense, there are a couple of steps that we follow when doing this process. First, we record the amount as a debit to uncollectible accounts expense. And then we record that same amount as a credit to allowance for uncollectible accounts. All right, so that is the end of the 17-1 text. In the next video, I will be going over the 17-1 work together. Okay, thank you.